All right, YouTube, I'm hungry, and today it's about my dog. It's my dog's birthday. So we're going to make a meat cake for my dog, all right? Let's go over the ingredients. Before I do, let me ask you if you could please find the like button, the subscribe button, and smash both of them, all right? But here goes our ingredients. It's real simple. You gotta make a doggy meat birthday cake out of meat. So I got 1/4 pound balls, 2 of beef and 3 of chicken, all right? 2 beef, 3 chicken. You know, I'm going to use these Kong ball inserts. This one here is for puppy, and this one here is the cheese and bacon flavored one. All right, together, these will be our icing. I got these little dog treats, these little training treats I call them. All right, that's going to make my numbers, I hope. And then I got like these other like pure meat treats. These guys here, you know, I want to make these, use these to like decorate my cake with, right? I'm not a baker. You know, let's see, my tools. Of course, you got to have your scraper. You got a spatula. All right, the scraper's for cleaning. I got a couple rags out. This guy here is pretty cool. The Cuisinart, like hamburger press. All right, I'm going to be using this. And I got my parchment papers. All right, if you want any of this stuff, you know, I joined the Amazon affiliate program. There's going to be some links in the description. You know, you get your item the same price. I get paid a little bit. All right, so I'm going to drop these chicken balls first, right? I'm going to put them right there. All right. Chicken balls. Chicken balls. Chicken probably take a little longer to cook. See the dog? It really don't matter, son. You know, dogs eat raw food. My dog's never eaten raw food. But some dogs eat raw food. All right. You know what I forgot to mention? I have this here skewers too. These little bamboo skewers. I got 2 of them. You know, as I put the icing on, I'm going to jab this in there to keep them from falling over. All right, but that is what it is. I use these little pieces of parchment paper. I put the rough side down, and what these are going to do is they're going to make it so it don't stick to my press. Rough side down, and hopefully I don't have any stickage. All right, I'm going to do it just like, oh, a little stickage there. I'm going to do it just like I would do a smash burger. Like a fat smash burger, if you will, right? Just let it go, son. Here goes the grease right here, the flavor. Would you look at that? You know, I might have to make one of these for me. But look at that. That's how easy that was. This little tool here, it has a ridge in there, right? It's a little warm right now, but it has this ridge. So you ain't going to get it real thin. But it makes it real easy. It makes it good. So you get a little bit of fatter burger. All right, I'm cooking on low, right? So I'm going to give these a second. Just let them go. Maybe I turn it up just a little bit across the board. All right. Give it a second. Look, you can tell because the edges will start to crispen up a little bit when it's ready. You know, the chicken might act different from the beef. I've never made a chicken smash burger before. But we're about to find out, son. You know, we're about to find out. See, that's golden. See, it's starting to go. And remember, this is for the dog. So it's got to be perfect, just like me. Look at that. We're just going to give it some time. Cook that up. Oh my goodness, son. Just look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Actually, I might make me one of these. Yeah. Maybe I don't put all the dog treats on it, but son, I want to make me something like this next. That looks good as hell. Huh. All right, we're going to give that some time. Just sit there and watch it. You know, I want a little crispy on the bottom. I need these things to stick together, and then we're going to pull them off, right? I love these trays, guys. Maybe I put a link to this tray in the description. Amazon link, of course. But check this out. Nothing like having a whole bunch of little trays to carry your stuff down on. Boom. All right. Boom. That's not ready yet. I'll give it some time. All right, we're gonna call those hamburgers done. We're gonna stick them over here on the tray. We're just gonna let those cool off. I want them kind of cool, and then we're gonna go to work on the next part. Get that. We're gonna give these chickens a lot more time. All right. When I say a lot more time, I meant like 10, 15 seconds. All right. We're in the backyard time here. There we go. Look at that. We're calling that done, son. Oh yeah. Dog is gonna love this food. All right, guys, we're gonna turn off the heater now. We're gonna have to scrape this up later. All right. Check this out. We're gonna let these sit. We're gonna let them cool. All right. Just let them give them a little bit. All right. We don't want them too hot. And here, I'm just going to bring this grease to the back. I don't necessarily want it going down the drip catch. Why? Because I didn't install the drip catch. All right? Give this some more time. Oh my God, that is hot as hell. All right? While we do that, we got to get ready. Get ready for the next step. I don't think I'm going to use all those. All right. We put our Lazy Susan out here. And we're going to start building these here in a second. And I think this one here, this one has liver and stuff in it. What does this have? Let me read it again. I think it's liver. Caution, whatever. Soybean, liver, chicken liver. All right, chicken liver's in this one. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to start off with a chicken patty. Right in the center. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. All right. And we're going to put this chicken liver in there. All right. Oh my goodness gracious, son. We're just going to steer it on there. Oh my goodness. It's going to smash out, and I'm okay with that. Because next is a beef patty. I might not even need the skewers. Let's see how this works. Son, that looks good. All right. I'm going to butter this on too. Look at that. This is how I use the Lazy Susan so I can spin it. Because I'm lazy, like Susan. There we go. Just put a lot on there. I bought lots of bottles of this. I got more bottles inside. There we go so far. Let's see what's next. We're going to do a chicken patty. All right. Oh my goodness gracious. We're going to put more of this on there too. Son, this is going to be good. All right, how about this beef patty over here? Put this on there. She in the window looking at me right now. Oh, you guys can't see the window. She right there. Oh my goodness gracious. She knows. She knows something's up. Because I got this Kong bottle in my hand. Just enough to keep it where it belongs. We're going to spike it. This is going to be good, son. All right. The last part. Another chicken patty. All right. Chicken patty. We're not going to put no liver on the chicken patty. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to skewer this now. And I'm going to do it twice. Guys, and we'll be back in like 5-10 minutes. Because this thing here, it's got to cool down still. All right, guys. We're back. I cleaned it up just a little bit. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try just to riddle this on there. If it doesn't look pretty, that's fine. It's not like I'm giving this to my daughter. I'm giving this to my dog. All right. We're going to get it on there. We might have to use our fingers. We might use the knife. But we're going to get this to work today, son. This dog's going to love us today because it's its birthday. And this is its cake. And it might not look beautiful when we're done. But it's going to be good for her. Actually, it's probably not going to be good at all, you know. It's probably going to be like the most unhealthiest thing you could ever give to a dog. And there's probably going to be some PETA watcher somewhere that's going to yell at me for this. But you know what I say to that? This is my dog, son. You do your dog however you want to do on its birthday. My dog is going to poop in the backyard a lot. All right? All right, look at that. It don't look beautiful. But man, is it looking good for a dog. Dogs like food like this. Today, the dog will like food like this because this doesn't have a choice. That's what it's eating. All right, look. I'm going to have to do the top too. All right, there goes the top. I need some more. All right. Come on, good old knife. Butter this on there. Make it look all nice and beautiful. It doesn't want to stick. That's all right. It don't have a choice, son. We're going to make it work today. You know, why do I have to do this, folks? I got to do this because my son's allergic to peanuts. All right? And every single one of these you can buy in a store has peanuts. So I figured, what better than for my dog to have some good old meat? So it's going to get some meat treats. All right. I'm going to pull this out. Hopefully it doesn't all fall apart. All right, we're going to throw this down there at the bottom. All right, we don't need that out right now. Let's see, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? What am I going to do? All right, guys, that's about it for the icing. Now what we got to do, let's see what this one is. This one here, it looks like savory chicken. Okay, let's get some chicken on there, son. The dog's going to love this. Just put this chicken on there. You know, we'll build it in. We making a doggy masterpiece. Look at that. Look at that. What do we got here? This is the savory and meat ball. We're going to wait on this one. This one's at the end. This one here is just beef. It just says beef. Let's see what we can do with this beefy one, all right? Let's see what we can do. Let's see. Will it stick to the sides? Folks, it's stuck to the side there. Let's see. Ooh. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, tell me that's not a damn good looking cake. All right. This is what we're going to do with these. She's 1 year old, right? So we got to put a 1 on this. Look at that. I want different colors. There's a brown one, and there's a red one. Look at that. She is 1 year old. So she gets the 1. All right. And then we take these meatballs. We got to take these meatballs. We got to put them in there somewhere. Look at that. These meatballs. There goes the meatball. There goes the meatball. There goes the meatball. There goes the meatball. Oh my goodness, son. There are a lot. Oh, a meatball fell down. That's all right. She'll still eat it. Meatballs. Look, we'll just put them right there on the side. All right, guys, listen. Man, I hope you see that well. This is my doggy's pie. My doggy's cake. This is the meat cake for the dog, son. That's for the dog. Huh. You know what I need to do now? I need to let it cool down a little bit more. We're going to let it sit out here. Just look at it. Look at it. I'm going to spin it. Look at that. Look at that. It's not beautiful. But that dog, son, that dog is going to love it. All right? Guys, I got to go get my dog. I got to let that cool down. We're going to clean up out here just a little bit more. And then I'm going to unleash the dog on this. All right, we'll be right back. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tonka. Happy birthday to you. Tonka, get it. Get it, baby, get it. Get it. All right, Tonka, happy birthday. You enjoy. I gotta eat that beef, boy. You enjoy it, Tonka. We made it a game putting on Lazy Susan for you. Have fun. Bye-bye.